Welcome back, Pioneers! What is in this box? Well, today we're going to find out, but I'll give you a little hint. There are a lot of superpowers. My Superpower Values box set. Oh my gosh, look at this. This includes 8 books by a well-known author of the channel, Alicia Ortego. I was so happy to be able to get this book set and share it with you in this video. This book set has Breathing is My Superpower, Kindness is My Superpower, Patience is My Superpower, Honesty, Gratitude, Acceptance, Confidence, and Love. All of these are actually available on this YouTube channel, where you'll see a list of all of Alicia Ortego's My Superpower books. Now that we got the book set, let's check to see what's inside a little bit more specifically. Okay, let's rip open the plastic. Okay, now because of the packaging, it did get a little damaged, but this book set was delivered from the United States Amazon, and I'm living in South Korea, so shipping did get a little messy, possibly. But let's open it up, and oh, nice. The box is pretty sturdy. I like the little design with all the kids, all the characters. And these are actually the characters from the stories. On the back, you've got Choose Your Own Superpowers. Really cool. I highly check out visiting Alicia's website, aliciaortego.com, because you can sign up for her free newsletter and get free printables and materials that go with each of her books. She's also written a 9th book in the series, Choices Are My Superpower, which I've also been able to read, but because of the box set being created before the 9th book, I'm super hoping that another box set will be coming out, and you'll be seeing that one on this channel when it does. But there are 9 books that are published by Alicia. This box set comes with the first 8. Okay. Here we go. Kindness is my superpower. Breathing. Acceptance. Gratitude, confidence, honesty, patience, and love. Kindness is My Superpower is a very special book because it was the first video of mine to reach over 1 million views. And it is a book that is actually read all across the United States in many states' school curriculum. So to be able to have read this book on YouTube and now to have the tangible book, let's check it out. Oh. Okay, I really like this book. 2020, it's only been 3 years, wow. What I really like about Alicia's books are the back pages that include different activities and suggestions and ideas for parents to help encourage children to read more and understand more about each topic. For example, here we have Acts of Kindness, and a simple acts of kindness idea. Leave someone a kind note, smile, and by having a bingo board, it motivates children and the readers to actually go out, do these kind things, and build a healthy and kind routine and habit for themselves at a younger age than waiting until they're adults or never. And it's not just kindness, but all of the books have some type of activity at the end. Here we have different breathing techniques on how to help with your breathing, controlling your anxiety. Lazy 8 breathing, soup breathing, okay, bubble breathing, or square breathing. We'll do one more. Acceptance is my superpower. We've got things I love about myself. Accepting others starts with accepting ourselves. Write down 6 things you love about yourself inside the puzzle pieces. I really like the idea of the puzzle pieces, which I didn't mention in the actual read aloud, but when you think about puzzle pieces, you're always trying to put them together to make them complete into a set. And by writing all the things that you love about yourself, you're also putting yourself together into one cohesive human being. And I really like the imagery with this activity. But each book has its own activities. I'm not going to go through all of them because you can definitely check them out on my YouTube channel in the description box down below. There is a playlist of all of these books available for you to read, and check them out on Amazon if you wanted to purchase them yourself. I want to thank Alicia for letting me read all of these books for you guys to read. I really think that they're very valuable for young children, and these books would have been really helpful for me when I was a child, so that I could have grown up with this type of emotional support, this type of awareness with EQ, and having great and powerful superpowers as a young child. I know this sounds kind of promotion-y, but the review of this book set is actually unique, and it's something that I've been doing with a few other authors who've allowed me to get their book sets and put them available on this YouTube channel. If you have a book that you would like for me to read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, or if you even have a book set or books that you would like to be reviewed, I also can do that for you as well. Alicia and I have been working together for years now, and I'm so glad that not only has she published her own book set, but she's continuing to create more books for children to read, children of all ages, from all over the world, and I'm so glad to be a part of her journey and adventures with her book series. My Superpower Values was developed to teach children about emotions, values, and the superpowers behind learning how to manage them from an early age. You can pick up your copy on Amazon by clicking the link down below, or again, remember to check out all of the other books on the playlist so you can read aloud and enjoy learning and gaining superpowers with us. This is going to be it for now, so thanks for watching today's video. Please like the video and subscribe to help support the channel, and check out some of these other books, and even leave your own reviews of her book, of Alicia Ortego's books, on Amazon to help support her and her journey to helping children gain their superpowers. Thanks again for watching today's video, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!